Do your gums bleed when you brush or floss? Don't ignore it. In this video, I'm going to share with you what you can do to fix that in just 1 week. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. And if this is your first time, my name is Derek Dean, and I'm a sedation dentist in Grand Junction, Colorado. Bleeding gums might seem harmless, but they're actually a sign that something is wrong. Whether it's early gum disease or simply an irritation from improper brushing, this is not something you should ignore. I like to imagine it this way. If I gave you a high five and you looked down and saw that you were bleeding, what would your thoughts be? Would you be concerned, hey, are you okay? Or would you look at me and say, hey, are you okay? I've got blood on me. Well, it's the same idea with bleeding gums. Nice healthy gums, just like nice healthy skin, don't bleed. Now, there are a few common reasons your gums might be bleeding. These include plaque buildup, poor oral hygiene, or even underlying health issues like diabetes or cancer. Plaque buildup is by far the most common cause. When plaque isn't removed through regular brushing and flossing, it hardens into tartar, which can irritate your gums and cause them to bleed. The good news is we can often stop bleeding gums with just a few simple changes to our routine. Here's what you need to do. First, make sure you're brushing properly. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and avoid brushing too hard. Tip number 2, floss daily. Flossing removes plaque and food particles that your toothbrush can't reach. Bonus tip number 2. Now, I've got a personal confession. Even as a dentist, I struggled for a long time to floss every day until I did one thing that made the difference. I made sure I grabbed my floss and I put it next to my toothbrush, and then I promised myself that I would floss first and brush second. The order actually doesn't matter, but it mattered to me, and I was a lot more effective and consistent at flossing my teeth once I started doing it before I brushed. Tip number 3, rinse with an antiseptic mouthwash like Listerine to kill bacteria and to reduce plaque. Now, when to see a dentist? If your gums don't stop bleeding after a week of following these tips, it's definitely time to see a dentist. Persistent bleeding could be a sign of a more serious issue that needs professional attention. Now, if these tips have made you hurry, don't worry. Most cases of bleeding gums can be easily treated with proper care. But it's important to take action now before it turns into a bigger problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on keeping your smile healthy. And if you're in the Grand Junction area, feel free to reach out to our office for personalized dental care. Thanks for watching, everyone. And remember, healthy gums don't bleed. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.